What if I told you your e-commerce brand could have a full-time data analyst, marketing strategist, and growth consultant, all in one AI agent available 24/7 without ever hiring a single person? That's what Triple Whale just launched with Moby AI. If you've been overwhelmed by data, drowning in dashboards, or wasting hours trying to figure out what actually moves the needle in your business, then you need Moby. I'm Mark Milliton from Breadloaf. We're a Triple Whale partner and e-commerce growth agency, and today we're breaking down the tool that's about to change the way you run your brand. Moby AI is Triple Whale's intelligent agent layer. Think of it as a team of smart assistants that live inside your dashboard and instantly answering questions like, why did ROAS drop last week? What's the best day to send an email this month? Which product is causing my CAC to spike? Instead of digging through dozens of reports, Moby gives you straight up answers powered by the best in-class LLM. And it's trained on the data that actually matters: your ad performance, creative, email flows, and customer LTV. Before Moby, brands needed a team or agency like us to piece together insights from Meta ads, Klaviyo, Google Analytics, and Shopify. Now, Moby does that in seconds. No more digging, no more guesswork, no more waiting for reports that are outdated the moment they're built. Moby transforms static dashboards into real-time decisions, and that's why it's a game changer. So what is a Moby agent? Each agent is like an AI-powered specialist trained to do a specific job for you. You can literally chat with it inside a Triple Whale. Need answers about ad spend? Use the paid media agent. Want to know why retention dropped? Ask the retention agent. These agents pull real-time data from all your integrations and give you natural language insights. It's just like talking to a smart team member minus the Zoom call. So here's the current roster of all agents and what they do. First off, we have the business overview agent. This is the big picture pulse, and you can ask it anything about your store health. Next, we have the marketing summary agent. This one breaks down where spend is working across all your marketing channels. Then we have the paid media agent. This is where you can ask questions across your ROAS, CAC, ad set anomalies, you name it. And we have the creative agent. What creatives are performing best and why? Next, we have your retention agent. This is the agent that's going to talk about LTV shifts, churn indicators, and Klaviyo flow insights. And then we have product agents. This agent's going to give you SKU level data on project margins and bundling tips. This lineup covers nearly everything a growth team does, and they're live 24/7. Man, back in 2019, I was at the Salesforce Dreamforce event in San Francisco. And at this time, Salesforce launched Einstein, which was supposed to be their smart AI business intelligence tool for the Salesforce ecosystem. And at the time, there was so much hype around this product. It was like, this thing's going to reinvent the whole world. And it literally was like a little Einstein that you would sit on your desk and talk to it like an Alexa. Unfortunately, this product never took off, and Salesforce really flopped on it. When I look at what Triple Whale's done, they've built a product that is 1,000 times better than Einstein was in 2019 with this massive Salesforce release. And this tool is built to make you smarter. It's built to make your agency work faster. It's built to make your marketing team have better insights. Instead of doing a lot of complex manual data analysis, we now have those insights immediately. We can ask questions that let us make faster decisions. In business, money needs speed. Money loves speed. The more speed we have with the better decisions, the more opportunities we have to make more and to drive more revenue. Because that's ultimately the top KPI for our performance teams. So let's talk a little about the tech behind Moby. Moby uses OpenAI's GPT-4 layered with proprietary prompts and real-time access to your brand's data through Triple Whale's integrations. It pulls from Shopify's sales and product data, Meta and Google Ads performance, Klaviyo email and flows, your UTM tracking, your first-party customer data journey. And no, your data is never shared with OpenAI or any external LLM provider. Moby uses secure, anonymized querying with full compliance. Here's the truth. Founders, marketers, and medium buyers are wasting hours every week doing analysis that AI can handle now instantly. Moby agents save you time, reduce mistakes, and let you focus on strategy, not spreadsheets. It's like having your best team member on call, answering instantly, and never taking a vacation. Real brands are already seeing the impact. Gia used Moby's creative agent to discover that one ad drove 70% of the sales, leading to a $25K budget reallocation that drove a 2.5x ROAS. Jolie relied on the business overview agent during peak season to spot a shipping delay trend early, saving them tens of thousands in churn risk. Midday Squares used the retention agent to identify a post-purchase email drop-off. They fixed it and added 9.2K in MRR in retention revenue. So I know you guys have a couple questions, so here's a couple FAQs. Is there a free trial or demo? Yes, there's a live demo environment, or you can request a walkthrough through a triple whale rep. So what size business is this for? Well, if you're doing at least $1 million in annual revenue and managing paid ads and retention, Moby is for you. And does Moby share my data? No, your data stays secure within the triple whale ecosystem. So here's the bottom line. If you're serious about scaling profitably in 2025, Moby AI is the closest thing we've ever seen to a real-time scalable e-commerce brain. At Breadloaf, we've already baked Moby into our operating system for our client brands because it gives us the answers we need faster. And if you want help implementing Moby, or you want a walkthrough from a trusted triple whale partner, shoot us a message. With that being said, subscribe for more e-commerce breakdowns, and we'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.